Can a case be dismissed if the person was not read their Miranda rights? Attorney David Salter says, this is a very common misconception. Miranda has become greatly overblown due to people watching police shows like Law and Order, whereas the public really does not understand what it means. A police officer can ask someone a question without Miranda rights being invoked. They only come into play if someone is in custody, which doesn't always mean in cuffs or in jail. If they are being detained and are not free to go, that's typically when Miranda rights come into play because that's considered custody. It's necessary for police to read someone their Miranda rights if they are in custody, and the police need to ask them a specific question, but it is not triggered just because someone was in custody and was volunteering information. This is important to keep in mind. I tell people that if they were worried about speaking to a police officer, the first thing they should do is ask if they are free to go. If the police say no and refuse to allow them to leave, they should ask to speak to a lawyer. The issue of custody is not a black and white rule. It is something that is judged based on the totality of circumstances in which a reasonable person would conclude they were free to go. So if an officer said they are not free to go, that's when they ask for an attorney. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney David Salter at 352-234-6010 or visit him on the web at www.dpsalterlaw.net.